Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the length and width of a rectangle are given in algebraic form in terms of x, and thus we have to find the area of the rectangle. Therefore, for length is given as minus of 5x square plus 9x minus 2, and width is given as minus of 3x square minus of 8x plus 2. Therefore, area will be equals length multiplied by width. So, area will be equals minus of 5x square plus 9x minus 2 multiplied by minus of 3x square minus of 8x plus 2, right? Now what we have to do is we have to multiply each of the terms present within the first pair of brackets individually with all the terms present within the second pair of brackets. So minus of 5x square multiplied by minus of 3x square will give us 15x raised to the power 4. Then minus of 8x multiplied by minus of 5x square will give us minus and minus will become plus, so it will become 40x cube, and then we have minus of 10x square. After that, 9x multiplied by minus of 3x square will become minus of 27x cube. Then 9x multiplied by minus of 8x will become minus of 72x square, and finally we have 18x. And let's move on to the last term of the first pair of brackets, which is minus of 2. So minus of 2 multiplied by minus of 3x square will give us plus 6x square, and then we have minus of 2 multiplied by minus of 8x is plus 16x, and minus of 2 multiplied by 2 is minus of 4. This upon further simplification will give us 15x raised to the power 4 plus 40x cube minus 27x cube will give us plus 13x cube. Then we have minus 10x square plus 6x square, which is minus 4, and minus 4 minus 72 is minus of 76x square. Then 18x plus 16x is 34x, and then finally we have minus of 4. Therefore, area will be equals 15x raised to the power 4 plus 13x cube minus of 76x square plus 34x minus 4. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.